Hello guys, welcome to my channel Competition Point. So today's our topic is swine fever that has originated from Africa. Also the case is like that two Punjab villages affected by this swine fever. So in this video we will talk about swine fever. So let's start our today's study. The Punjab government on Friday declared two villages, one each in Patiala and Fatehgarh Sahib as African swine fever affected zones and notified these areas as infected zones for the prevention of the spread of this fever. Basically, the two villages are Bandhugad in Patiala district and Mandofal in Fatehgarh district. According to ICAR, that is Indian Council of Agriculture Research, National High Security Animal Disease Institute, Bhopal has confirmed ASF in the sample from these areas according to government statements. So these are the two villages of Punjab in which swine flu cases are found. Next we have for the prevention of the disease in these villages restriction under the provision of the Prevention and Control of Infectious and Contagious Disease in Animal Act 2009 and the National Action Plan for Control, Containment and Eradication of African Swine Fever 2020 have been strictly imposed, said Laljit Singh Bullar, Ministry of Animal Husbandry and Fisheries Department. Also, he added that point, he said that 0 to 1 kilometer area of the village is declared as epicenter of the disease. Also, this is known as the infected zone, while 0 to 10 kilometer area in classified as surveillance zone. No living or dead pig including feral or wild pigs, unprocessed pig meat, feed or any material goods from the piggery farms. So these are the two zones formed by Punjab government to save other people from the swine fever. Also, the piggery farm or backyard piggery shall be taken out or brought into their infected zone, and no person shall bring or attempt to bring into the market any pig or pig products which are known to be infected with scheduled disease, he added. So these are the basic points by which minister said that it's our responsibility to keep away the pig and their pig products to save other people's. Also, earlier African swine fever was found in Bilaspur, Sonori Adda and Manjal Khurd areas of Patiala district. The whole state of Punjab had already been declared as controlled area, and ban on inter-district or interstate movement of any pig or its belonging is being followed. That's why Punjab declared as the control area. Also, the minister urged pig farmers to cooperate with the government for prevention of the disease, saying they should not visit other farms, place or district and should prepare feed for the swine or their farms. This is an incurable and fatal disease which can be prevented only by adopting precaution, he said. So this was the analysis of swine fever originated from Africa. Also, I am providing you some static point about ICAR as well as for Punjab. So if you want to write this static point, please pause the video and note down the all points. So this was from my side. If you like this video, please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day and thank you.